Hey guys, welcome to Jolene's Triple F blog. So I'll be showing you guys step by step my beautiful recipe that I absolutely love and that I make at least once a week. And I eat these muffins like they're going out of fashion. They are so good and so delish and so healthy, and you can change it up so easily. So let's start this beautiful unpacking, and then I'll show you guys my lovely recipe. So for this recipe, you only require 8 ingredients. These are the brands that I love using. So obviously you can use whatever brands you like. I like going like organic, non-GMO, grass-fed butter. So yeah. So first, let's get the utensils. Okay, so you gotta preheat the oven, obviously. Make sure you take your defrosting meats out first, because that has happened to me maybe more than once, but I ain't saying anything. Okay, so you preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm guessing it's like 180, but I'll double check on that one. Baking tray. So these are my favorites. You can buy them off of Amazon. I do not know how much they cost, but I will link them down below. They are silicone muffin cups, and they work really well. Like, I don't need to spray anything on them. I just literally like rinse them and put them back in the cupboard, which is what I like to do. So we're going to start off with 2.5 cups of almond flour. I use the super finely ground one. 3 grams of protein, non-GMO. Important, so important. Okay. To be honest, I just kind of like wing it most of the time. Like, I don't even like measure it correctly. Like, it's not really that I don't know, important, I guess. Okay. Oh god. So I just kind of chuck it all in there. Baking powder. I use this baking powder. It's non-GMO, it's not organic. That will be 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sea salt, I like to use Himalayan crystal salt. I don't even I just kind of shove it in there. I use butter, but you can use coconut oil. 1/3 cup. I just kind of measure, I think 2, 4, 6 tablespoons. I'm honestly not accurate with like the exact measurements, because I do it every week. So I'm like, I kind of just shove things together and hope for the best. I do put this in the microwave for like 20 seconds just to melt the butter. There we go. Okay, while we wait for that, instead of using coconut milk, you can use unsweetened almond milk. That is also 1/3 cup. Okay, and then we're gonna use a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh yeah, is this water? Yeah, we call this vanilla essence in South Africa, so that's kind of weird. I love butter, guys. It's like, seriously. Oopsie, I think that might have been a little bit hot. Okay, coconut milk or unsweetened almond milk. 1/3 cup. Yet again, I kind of just like wing it. I'm really bad, but 3 large eggs. I've been craving eggs. You kind of just mix it all together. The almond flour does give like a, I don't know, sandy texture, I almost want to say, but it's really good. So you kind of just mix it all together. So easy, so quick. So I usually do a half with blueberries. Okay, and I get a nice big spoon. So did we add everything? You know, half of the time I forget half of the stuff, so I have to double check with myself. But you see, it's super easy. It really does smell like something's burning. Okay. This is actually very, usually it's a little bit more thicker, but I think I put too much coconut milk in because I didn't measure, which is fine. It's okay. I usually do these for like 15 minutes. It honestly just really depends on your specific oven. I feel every time it's like different, so you never know. Blueberries, kind of just add a handful, however much you prefer. I don't wash them because they're organic and non-GMO, so I kind of want that like earthy. No, if there's a little bit of sand, it's good for the digestive system. So if you want sugar in these, you can add, I forgot the sweetener's name, but stevia probably, and erythritol. I don't know how to pronounce that. I think this channel is actually going to become like, words Jolene can't pronounce properly, because that's like my life half of the time, to be honest. Oh, I'm so excited about these guys. I actually didn't make them last week. I didn't have almond flour, and almond flour is freaking expensive. Like $9 for that thing. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, why? I bet you could probably make your own almond flour at home, but I just, like, that's a lot of work. Like, if you really dedicate it, by all means, girl, you do you. I should stop eating this better. Okay, let's see. Okay, these are my babies. So honestly, like, things aren't always perfect. Like, this channel isn't about being perfect. It's just about doing how you want to do it. These are my beautiful babies. I'm honestly so excited about this. So let's cook them. It honestly smells like something's burning in here, but I did take out all my meat. Oh, hi Marlo. I wonder what you're smelling. Are you smelling some bacon? Some good bacon? Yeah, and then, guys, they are looking so good. So these were the finished products. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please leave in the comments below if you did try these low-carb blueberry muffins and how they turned out. Thank you.